So I have this tape icon that I created using shapes, using the Ellipse Tool, and then I combined them. Actually, I'll just show you how I did that now. I'm going to move this. So these are just simple outlines. But for example, I created an ellipse and then a smaller one. Copy, paste in front, copy, lock, paste in front. I use those key commands. And then unlock all. I lock shapes a lot just so I can isolate them. And I'll do the same thing, copy, paste in front, copy, lock, paste in front to create that shape, and then I'll pull it out. And that's going to be my edge. Then I delete both these. Those side points using the point arrow, and then I'm going to join these 2 points, apple J, join these, apple J. It's not going to look exactly the same because I'm freehanding this. I had an actual photo I was working from. Just get this a little closer to realistic. And then I copy, unlock all this again. And then I just use this path right here. Copy, lock, paste in front. And then I'm going to freehand this piece of tape coming off the edge. I'm holding down the shift key. And then just make my adjustments. But that's my quick icon for a roll of tape. Object, unlock all, and then when I unlock them all, and then I adjust the stroke width. I'm gonna make this. That's too much. Make it 10, 5. But anyway, what I wanted to show you on this roll of tape icon that I'm creating is that you don't want to leave it just strokes. You want to find a stroke width that suits your purposes for the icon. And then you want to do object, path, outline stroke. And what that does is it turns these paths, these strokes into a shape instead of just a path. So then if I drag it over here, make a copy, then no matter how large your icon gets, this stroke will stay the same. The stroke width will stay the same. So that's my quick tip for today, how to create an icon, a simple tape icon, and how to create a consistent thickness for your stroke. Please like if you learned something, subscribe. Thank you for watching.